So next is in physics motion in a plane. Plane means like this, on the two directional, that is xy directions, x and y directions only there. So that's called plane. The motion is that taken place in that x and y directions only, that is called plane motion. Motion in a plane. If an object is in a motion such that its position at any time can be given with reference axis, two mutual perpendicular lines passing through the horizon, like this, mutual perpendicular lines passing through the horizon, then the motion of the object is said to be motion in plane. So like this. So example, projectile motion, circular motion. So here we will explain projectile motion. Projectile motion, when an object is thrown obliquely means in a certain angle near the earth's surface, its motion on a parabolic path is known as projectile motion, and path followed by the object is called trajectory. Means this from starting from here to this is called trajectory, and the shape is called parabolic shape. And motion is parabolic, the motion will be there. Parabolic shape of motion will be there. Projectile motion can be considered as combination of two independent one-dimensional motion, that is motion along a straight line, one along horizontal direction with constant velocity and the other along with the vertical direction on the gravity effects. Here, when the projectile is projected, its velocity can be divided into two axes. One is x-axis and y-axis. At any time, not only here, throughout this trajectory, projectile motion can be divided into two parts. There is horizontal part and vertical part. Horizontal part is u cos theta and vertical part is u sin theta. It is projected at a theta projection, oblique. That is projected in oblique means this is the angle of projection. It is called angle of projection. Then these two motions will be always affected by gravity. Then formula for the projectile motion. Component of velocity. The horizontal component of velocity is ux is equal to u cos theta. This is the horizontal component. This is u cos theta. Here the x direction component. Then the vertical component of initial velocity u y is equal to u sin theta. This is vertical component. This is equal to u sin theta. So time of ascent is ta is equal to u sin theta by g. Time of ascent means from here to the maximum height it reaches, whatever time it takes, that is ta. It's a formula to find it is u sin theta by g. G is the gravity. Then time of descent td, this is from maximum height to once more touching the ground, how much time it takes, that is time of descent. The td is equal to u sin theta by g, and g is gravity of the earth. Then time of flight ta is equal to this, both ta plus td is equal to, it gives the time of flight total from 0 here starting from to ending. The total is called time of flight. U sin theta by g plus u sin theta by g is equal to u sin theta by g. Then maximum height h is equal to, this is from here to the maximum height, h is given by u square sin square theta by 2g. Then range is horizontal displacement of the projectile, r is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. Range means here to here. This is the distance covered.